Hello, welcome back to another cooking video featuring a Kerala banana stock. In this video, we shall show you how to sun dry and preserve ripe bananas so that you can enjoy their flavors in desserts, snacks, or simply add them to your diet even when they are out of season. To make sun-dried banana dessert, let's start with a ripe Kerala banana stock. Depending on the size of banana hands, we need to separate it from the stalk and divide it into clusters. Tie two clusters of bananas at the two edges of a rope like the video. And hang them under direct sunlight. To protect the bananas from the birds, cover them with a net. Depending upon the weather, it may take 2 or 3 days before moving to the next stage of drying. Once the skin of bananas turns black under the sun, the banana fingers will shrink in size and become soft. To speed up the drying process, separate the banana fingers from the clusters and sun dry them. After 2 more days of sun drying, the banana fingers will reduce in size again and the banana honey inside will also dry up. To preserve the banana flesh without any preservatives, make sure it is completely dried without any fluid content. Our next step is to peel and remove the outer skin of the banana fingers and sun dry the inner pulp once again. Slice the banana finger flesh into desired shape or cubes and keep them under sun for 5 or 6 hours to ensure they are dried up well. For extra flavor, crush 1 spoon of sugar with cardamom and keep aside. Once the banana pieces are completely dried, transfer them to an airtight container. During this transfer, you can also sprinkle the sugar cardamom powder in between the layers of bananas. This is optional, but it adds a lovely taste to the dessert. Now your sun-dried banana is ready to consume in different ways. You can eat them as it is or add them to fruit salads, custard desserts, cakes and more.